Yeah. All right, so she told me to come over here. Oh my God. All of my yes. I don't even want to walk on it, man. Yep. This was the right one. This was the right decision. Hell yeah. Oh God, yes. Dude. Sick. A lot more to go though. God damn. This is big progress, boys. Big progress. Yeah, the rest was progress, okay? But this is like, this makes it, this is what I've been excited for. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at it. Look at it.
The next day.
Man, who knew? A block and a DE crank pulley would be perfect height to hold it even. They don't make them like this anymore.